Hey guys, welcome back to Paradise Auto House. Today we're going to be replacing the OEM kidney grills on the G20 330i and M340 G20 body style with the gloss black style. We're going to go through all the parts, uninstall and install that you're going to need to do this, so stay tuned and check it out. Let's get this out. Piece right here. Possibly like cover up a camera hole or something like that. Sensor hole maybe if it doesn't have it. Alright, the first thing we have on the list is the T30 as well as a pick. We have some zip ties, a flathead, and then some clip poppers. Alright, so this is the new grill. It's gonna go in gloss black. Gonna replace the chrome style. It looks nice. Okay. Alright, we're just gonna take off this liner. Peel this off. Right here. And then we're gonna grab one of the clip poppers, and we're gonna pop out all these clips that go around just right here, so that we can take this off and access the T30 that we need to take out for the front kidney grill, and then after that it's just gonna be a couple tabs. So let's see. That was flying. Okay, now just give it a shake. Let's see if we can get it out. There we go. Okay, place that on top. Here we go. Here's the T30 that we need right here. Here's the T30 that's connecting the kidney grill to the bumper and the active grill system right here. So we're gonna get that removed, and then we're gonna start popping these clips out. Okay, so then these tabs right here, we're gonna hold them down with these zip ties because there's like 6 of them right here that are gonna hold this whole thing in. So we're just gonna pop some zip ties in here and hold them down so that at the end, when we put them all in, we can just pop it out and pull it towards us. Alright, now, so we have the T30 screw out, and then we have these in, so we're going to try to just give it a couple good pulls in some right spots and see if she comes out. Let's see. All right, after a couple minutes of finagling, she is out. She is out. Very nice, very nice. Now to install this one, let's see. So this is how it's looking with the kidney grill removed. I'm gonna replace it with this gloss black kidney style. Let's see how easy this goes in. Exactly as these pull this off. Alright, so what I did is I put this in, this piece, because it came with the sensor piece that I didn't have on my other one. So, yeah, perfect. Alright, let's get this thing lined up. All right, now we're gonna redo everything we did before. Just put it all back together. Let's grab this T30. When we put this back, it goes underneath these two portions on the side. Right here. I lost one of mine in the process. So. Be mindful of your tabs, the tabs you're pulling out, putting in, and everything like that. Let's also throw the liners on here as well. Okay, and then the finished product will give us something looking like this, super clean. Another reason why I got it is because my stock one, I have a massive rock chip in there. Now it looks super stock again. Super nice, super clean with the black. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys got some knowledge out of it, and if you guys want to replace your own kidney grills at the house, do it yourself, go right ahead. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy. Have a great day, guys.